Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Anup here. I'm excited and I'm going to show you something different to you. Look at this image. This image can be color graded something like this. And how do you do that? That's what we are going to see right now. So let's start. So before start developing this image, we need to understand two things in this image. The first thing is understanding the scene. The second thing is like the flow of light. The understanding scene is nothing but like this image is captured around 5:30, so it's a sunset. So we need to create that feel into this image. That is the first point. The second thing is understanding the light. The light is nothing but it's a sunset, so we have a warm color over here, and it's like the right side of the image having the more bright information. Coming to the left, it's a light information, like kind of diffusing the light, and this is part of a pre-visualization of our image. So let's open the image in Lightroom. Now I am going to divide my editing process into different levels. The first one will be the basic. I'll be like handling more on the camera techniques. For example, as I mentioned, I need to create that feel. So for that, I'll be adjusting white balance and contrast, exposure, etc. And coming to the second thing, what I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust the colors over here. So basically, I'll be individually selecting the colors and I'll be doing the enhancement. Third one, I'll be like splitting the colors, importance to the highlight and shadows. The fourth one is like calibration. The calibration means like I basically controlling the primary colors like RGB. So all these things we are going to see today. So the starting with like resetting the image. It's really important resetting the image because I don't want any kind of effects or any kind of values into my image. So I'm going to reset my image. So resetting is done. After resetting the image, I'm directly coming to the basic. With help of basic, what we are going to do, we are going to create the same sunset feeling over here, or that kind of mood we are going to create. So for that, I am going to adjust. The first thing is picture style, the second one is white balance, third one is tone, and the fourth one is presence. So with help of all these things, we are going to create the same sunset feel. So let's start. Now I created the mood of sunset. So just see before and after of this image. So this was the before and this is after. Now you could able to see the kind of sunset feel over here. Coming to the next, adjust the colors over here. For that, I'm coming to the HSL. So HSL is nothing but like we are going to individually select the colors over here and we are going to adjust. Basically, we'll be adjusting with the hue, saturation, and luminance. So hue is nothing but the tonal of the color, and saturation is nothing but like strength of the color, and coming to the luminance is nothing but the brightness. So when you adjust all these things, we could able to create a dramatic feel over here. Okay, so let's see. So just look at the before and after. See, look at that. Like you could able to see some sunset color information over here. The sky blue is enhanced. So this is what we want when you adjust HSL. Next thing is split toning. I am going to select individual colors highlight and individual colors of shadow, and I'm going to adjust the saturation. Okay, so let's see. Now I have done with the split toning. And then the final one is calibration. The calibration, we are going to adjust the primary colors. Primary colors is nothing but RGB. The RGB values we are going to adjust. Okay. Now we have done with the calibration of this particular image. Now I need to individually select some portion of this image and I need to adjust that area colors alone. So for that, we are going to use wonderful tools called the graduated filter. So let's see. So now we have done with the right side. Now I want to create the same kind of effects in the left side. Maybe I need to give more shadows and more details to that image. So with help of graduated filter, I am going to do that. Now I have done with that. But look at the horizon. Horizon doesn't have the sunset feeling, so I need to create that. So for that, I'm going to select adjustment brush tool and I'm going to draw a line, or I'm going to paint it over there, and here I'm going to increase the saturation values a little bit more. Now we have done with everything. Look at the image before and after. It's totally different and it looks perfectly amazing, and you are getting the dramatic feel into this image. So this is how we can create the amazing feel into your landscape photography or architecture photography. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back with another amazing video for you. See you. Bye.